And the countdown begins. Barely a few days go for your examination. Yes, these are the days full of anxiety. These are the days full of nervousness. Yes, you might be jittery about your preparations. You might be thinking about the unexpected events that may occur with your results. You might be feeling sad about certain things. You might be feeling motivated at times. So this will be a gamut of mixed emotions that you'll be facing right now. So yes, a roller coaster journey. But guys, last 6 months have been phenomenal. Last 6 months, you have burned your midnight oil like anything. You have surpassed your laziness. You've surpassed your shortcomings. You have overcome all the obstacles that were between you and the degree CMA. And I am proud of you. You've done your level best. You've studied hard. You've put in that extra effort in each of the subjects. And guys, now whatever is the result, I don't care. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. Yes, now last few days left. Some hygiene checks that I want to give you so that in these last few days you are able to reap most out of whatever you've done in past, so that these last days are going to be really rocking for all of you. So here is my checklist for things to do in the last few days before the examination. To top it all, guys, be self-confident, be self-assured, give yourself reassurance that yes, you've done well and you'll be able to succeed in the examination. Just keep giving yourself this reassurance. Instead of giving a jittery feeling to yourself, instead of giving an unconfident feeling to yourself, instead of being scary, so I don't know what is going to be happen, I don't know whether I'll be able to qualify or not. Instead of giving those feelings, give a confident feeling to yourself. Just reassure yourself that yes, all is well, all is well, all is well. You've done your level best, boy. It's okay. Whatever will be the result, we'll accept it. It's okay. It's okay. It's not a big deal, it's not only education that makes you successful. Education is just a part of being successful. Even uneducated people are successful. A very, very practical thought. So reassure yourself, be self-confident that yes, you've done your best and now the result will be in front of you. So don't worry, just give yourself a reassurance on a regular basis. Bygones are bygones. Don't worry about those chapters which you have not been able to complete. Don't worry about those questions which you have not been able to complete. Don't worry about that time that you've spent in not studying. Don't worry about the extra questions that you've not done or the homework that you've not done. Don't worry about all these things. Bygones are bygones. Leave them aside. Now just give it your best shot. Give full positive vibrations towards the examinations and towards these last 10 or 15 days, whatever is left. Next, health is a priority, of course. The last thing you want is that you've prepared well, you've done everything good, but during those VRs, you get yourself in a trouble by having a poor health, having some health issues. That's the last thing you want to have now. So now on, just relax, calm down. Proper food, proper sleep. Proper food, I've written 80%, which means if you're hungry, don't fill up your stomach up to the extent of 100%, but only 80%. Why I'm saying this? Because if your stomach is filled for 100%, then the probability of feeling sleepy or overeating and the repercussions of overeating will increase. So whatever is your hunger, just eat 80% of your hunger, not more than that. Don't fill your entire tummy with food. And kind of food that you need to eat now is absolutely unfried food, food which is not oily, food which is absolutely plain, like the food that we eat at our home. No parathas, prefer fulkas, no chole bhature, no pav bhaji. Instead of that, please have normal dal, roti, rice, the normal staple food which we have. Absolutely simple food, that will be important. Sleep is very, very important during these last days. Many students will tell me, sir, I'll sleep only for 4 days. No, absolutely not advisable, because your brain will stop functioning to its 100% of the extent. So sleep is absolutely necessary during these last days. 7 hours is absolutely necessary. Yes, even during the examination, when you have back-to-back examination for 8 days, 7 hours of sleep is absolutely essential. No exam-related discussion, post-examination or pre-examination. Now please stop discussing about examination with your friends. Friends who've done 3 revisions, 4 revisions, let it be. You just focus on your revisions. You just focus on whatever you can do the best within the limited time. And even after the examination, don't discuss the question paper with other fellows, other students who are saying that, oh, this answer was this answer was this is a hidden point that is there in this answer. This is the hidden question, secret answer which is there. Nothing of this sort of a discussion. I categorically remember my ITT paper was bad in my CA final, and I was destined to flunk in that particular paper because I didn't write the paper appropriately. But in that fear, I did not messed up with my next paper. I did my next paper completely because I knew that if I get 14 IIT, the next paper can be play a pivotal role in qualifying, and that's exactly what happened. I got appropriate marks in IIT, and the next paper could get me pass. So don't discuss paper post or pre-examination. Anxiety is good. If you're facing anxiety, if you're facing tension, it's good, because it's going to drive you during these last 10 days. It's going to be pivotal for your attempt in these last few days. So anxiety is good. If you're nervous, it's good, because anxiety will definitely lead you to a better result, to a good result. So anxiety is definitely good. Past exam papers are very, very important to be done during these last few days. If you've not done mock test papers, don't worry. Guys, honestly, I'm confessing in front of all of you. I've never given mock test paper ever in CA, CS, CMA, all 3 papers. I've never given mock test papers. Once or twice I might have given, but otherwise I've not given, because these last days, you should focus on revision rather than giving mock test papers. Okay? If you've given mock test papers in past, good. If you've not, good enough. You just focus on revisions during these last few days. That's really, really important. And yes, past examination papers are definitely to be done without any fear. do not pick up anything new during these last few days. A friend of yours comes running, oh, I got this amazing book, the entire paper comes from this particular book. Leave it aside. I don't want to know the question. Someone comes to you, oh, I have the question paper, you just read this question, these questions are going to come in the examination. Do not read those questions. Do not refer to anything new, any new book, any new material, any new videos. Don't refer to anything of that sort. Whatever you've consulted in the past, just stick to that particular curriculum, just stick to that particular course, and do not venture into anything new. So do not pick up anything new. So yes, these are my few tips which are important from an exam perspective during these last few days. So yes, guys, you made me proud. I've already told you that, and now give it your 100%. Whatever has been passed has been gone. Now give it your 100%. If you come out of the examination center and tell me, sir, I've given my 100%. This is the max that I could have done. I've given my 100%. I'm going to embrace you. I'm going to tightly hug you, irrespective of the result. Even if result is negative, I'm going to support you. I'm going to be on your side because I know the pain, I know the difficulty level, I know the level of questions which are being asked in the professional examination, and it's no child's play to give any professional examination. And no one in this world has the right to criticize you for your failure in the professional examination, because these examinations are no child's play. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.